Hello viewers, today I have this Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 and in this video I am going to show you how to replace the battery of these earbuds. So without wasting any time, let's start. So I am going to take one of the earbuds. So we have to give some heat over here so that we can take this apart. So let me give some heat and come here. So I have given the heat and you can see I have tried opening it. So there is no flex cable connected to this top part. So I am going to keep this housing separately. You can see the beauty, there is not a single mark. That is the beauty of this channel. I have taken this apart. So now it's time to replace the battery of this earbud. So you can see there is a flex cable just coming from this main motherboard to this part. So we have to lift this clip here so that this motherboard will be separated. So let me take that flex cable. Just like this we can lift. You can see this has come out. So even motherboard will come easily now. Then we can access the battery. So let me pry and take out the motherboard. Make sure you are not damaging any components. If you damage, then earbuds might be of no use. So the motherboard we have to lift like this. So it will be actually locked and pasted here. Mild paste is there. You can see this side. So there is no work in this motherboard. So I'm going to keep this separately. We have to take out the blue color housing here. So this is also clipped here. So slowly we have to pry the lock here. You can see there is a lock here. So we have to slowly lift this lock. It will come out. So lock has been removed, you can see. So this is bit delicate here. So let me take this out further. You can see there is one more lock here. So that's it. You can see it is coming out easily. So this section also I am not going to use as of now because we have to replace the battery. Now we can access the battery here. So to take out this battery, there are many flex cables just going here and around there. So make sure you are not going to break the flex cables. So here one flex cable is there just like this, and two terminals of the battery is connected in this point, and this point has been glued here. So again there is one more flex cable just going downwards towards the speaker and this charging connectors. So alright, let me take this out carefully and come here. So you can see I am going to remove the glue here like this. So glue has come out. So there are two terminals connected to the battery. So let's check out the voltage and polarity of the battery here. So I have set the multimeter to 20 volt DC here. So let me just keep the terminals here. So you can see there is around 3.58 voltage, but it is not going above and it is not connecting. And the bottom one is the plus one and the top one is the negative terminal. So that we have to be very careful while connecting. So this terminal nearest to the driver is positive and the positive this one is the negative terminal. So we have to connect the battery wires respectively, otherwise the motherboard will be damaged. So alright, let's further take out the battery here. So now you can see I have desoldered the wire here. So this wire has come out from the battery terminals. Now it's time to just remove the battery. You can see battery is coming easily. So let me take this out. So that's it, battery has come out. So let me keep this separately. So this is the battery. So lithium ion battery. Alright, now I am going to replace the battery. Instead of this I have the similar quality battery with lithium ion polymer. So this is the battery I am going to use. This is lithium ion polymer. So both is of same size and same capacity. So battery backup will be excellent and the quality of the battery is also exceptional. So alright, let me install this into the respective terminal as I showed previously. You can see positive and negative terminal has been connected and it has been positioned perfectly. Now it's time to put everything back together. So first I am going to put this blue color plastic back to its place. So I have installed the top housing. Actually the battery was bit bigger. The battery which I was using, that was bit bigger. So I have installed little smaller battery. So it has gone inside. So alright. So the housing has been fixed here. Now it's time to install the motherboard. Let me show you the motherboard. So simply we have to position it properly here. And that's it. Then we have to clip this flex cable, which is difficult to show in the video here. So let me do that and come here. So alright, motherboard has been fixed. the flex cable has been fixed. Now simply I have to install this top housing. So let me install this using some T7000 glue here. So as of now I am going to use this. So this is very good glue here. So let me install and close it, and I will show you the working functionality here as well. So alright, you can see how the work is very clean and neat. So alright, now it's time to test it. So I'm going to insert the earbud in the case. So now let's pair it. So to pair this, we have to hold this both sides earbuds for 3 seconds so that it will enter in pairing mode. Green light will blink here with red. So let me press it. So you can see red and green light is blinking. That means it has entered in pairing mode, and that means the battery replacement is also successful now. So I have opened the Bluetooth page here, just clicking refresh here. So you can see Galaxy Buds 2 has come here. So I'm just clicking it. So it is asking the permission. I'm clicking the pair button. So you can see battery is 53% and it is successfully done. Battery replacement has been successful. So if you want me to replace the battery of this type of earbuds, please do message on this above WhatsApp number. I am located here in Bangalore. You can ship it from any part of India to Bangalore. I can repair it and I can send it back to your address. So that's it for this video. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz360 and hit that notification bell icon, and write comment in the comment section below if you have any queries. I have uploaded so many videos in this channel AudioViz360. Please go through it. If you like it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because if you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.